Hi Care Bears, this is Carrie here, your favorite traveling naturalista, and welcome back to Living Karefree, where we encourage you to live your best life through travel, beauty, and entrepreneurship. So, have you ever been in a situation to where you've seen someone that had an idea that was so simple but yet so great, and you were like, why didn't I think of that? You could have. You probably stopped yourself. So we're going to talk about that in this video. Stay tuned. So where do people come up with those million-dollar ideas? They seem so easy for some people and so hard for others. Some people think that creatives have it easy with being creative, innovative, imaginative, but everybody struggles with being creative and having those million-dollar ideas on a whim. So these 3 tips that I have for you will hopefully walk you through the steps of coming up with your best idea ever for your job, for your business, for your hobby, for your house. It doesn't matter what you need the idea for, these tips will help you. So 1, start with brainstorming alone. So a lot of people, this is what they do to come up with ideas. They brainstorm, they write things down, and they try to come up with that idea on their own. And a lot of times it doesn't work out in their favor. Sometimes you can strike gold with writing down things on your own by yourself, but a lot of the times it doesn't start there. So then I suggest going on with brainstorming with other people. So brainstorming with other people doesn't mean you have to sit down in a boardroom and collectively come up with ideas together, which would be a great thing to do, but you don't have to stop there. You can go and talk to your friends, you can go and talk to people at the bar, just listen. And you don't even have to be talking about the ideas that you have. Listening to other people's problems that they may have can contribute to you forming that perfect idea that you had from your brainstorming alone, but it brings it all together when you talk to other people and make it a great idea. So it goes from an okay idea to a great idea. Now, sometimes that works. You have your million-dollar idea that way. Sometimes it doesn't. So I suggest you do the 3rd tip. Relax. Just relax. Have you noticed that during the times where you're not stressed out, you're not thinking about it, things just come to you, right? So if you're anything like me, I wake up in the middle of the night or the next morning and I have amazing ideas. It just comes to me in my dreams. And they say that your dreams are like child's play. Your dreams don't have any expectations. Your dreams are pure imagination. You're what's holding yourself back when you're awake. So when you're awake, you think, well, this defies gravity. That can't happen. This defies logic. That can't happen. But your dreams don't care about none of that. It's very imaginative. It's like a child. So when you dream in a place of no limits, right? So we want to be limitless when we're thinking about ideas. So that's why it's very important to remember your dreams, write them down when you wake up, if you can remember your dreams. I know some people can't, but even just relaxing and daydreaming can bring about great ideas. So between brainstorming alone, brainstorming with other people, or listening to other people, and relaxing, hopefully you come up with your million-dollar idea. What are some ways that you use to brainstorm, to think about ideas? Do you listen to music and write things down? Do you go for a jog? Or what are some ways that you've gotten that million-dollar idea before? What were you doing? Because it might work for you. comment below, like this video, subscribe to this channel because you can join the Care Bear clan, and hit the notification bell below. And I'll talk to you next time.